The universe is filled with mysteries, black holes, dark matter, the origins of life itself. But there's another mystery right here on Earth, one we don't often consider. What if our closest primate cousins, the monkeys, suddenly leapt ahead of us on the evolutionary ladder? What if, through some quirk of genetics or environmental pressure, their intelligence skyrocketed, surpassing even our own? Imagine a world where monkeys invent their own languages, build their own cities, even launch their own rockets into space. Would they look back on us as we look at our primitive ancestors with a mixture of curiosity and pity? And what would happen to humanity in this new world order? Would we become the pets, the lab subjects, the historical footnotes of a planet ruled by primates? It's a mind-bending thought experiment, one that forces us to confront our place in the cosmic order. Are we really at the pinnacle of intelligence, or could another species be waiting in the wings, ready to inherit the Earth? Let's explore these intriguing possibilities together. So how could this simian ascension even happen? Could monkeys really evolve to outsmart humans? Well, evolution is a complex dance, a tango with natural selection and random mutation. It's not a straight line, and there's no guarantee who takes the lead. Imagine this: environmental pressures favor a particular gene in certain monkey populations. Maybe it's a gene that supercharges their cognitive abilities, allowing them to solve complex problems, use tools in new ways, and even develop their own forms of communication. And what about the tools we've left lying around? Monkeys are already known for their curiosity and dexterity. Imagine them getting their hands on our discarded tech, repurposing it, hacking into our systems. They might even unlock the secrets of artificial intelligence, using it to accelerate their own evolution. Picture a group of monkeys in a lab, not as subjects but as scientists, experimenting with gene editing, brain-computer interfaces, and cognitive enhancement technologies. They could be unlocking the secrets of their own minds, pushing the boundaries of intelligence beyond anything we thought possible. Their brains, once limited by biology, could be augmented by technology. Imagine the neural implants that enhance memory, processing speed, and problem-solving abilities. Suddenly, the monkeys aren't just learning from us, they're surpassing us. And let's not forget the power of collective intelligence. What if these super-intelligent monkeys develop a hive mind, a network of interconnected consciousnesses? Their combined intellect could dwarf our own, allowing them to solve problems on a scale we can barely comprehend. The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. And while it might seem like science fiction, remember that nature is full of surprises. After all, a few million years ago, we were just apes in the trees ourselves. So, the next time you see a monkey, take a closer look. You might be witnessing the early stages of the next great leap in evolution. Okay, let's say it happens. Monkeys rise to power. What becomes of us? Do we bow down to our new primate overlords? Well, the future is never certain, but we can explore some fascinating possibilities. Imagine walking down the street, not to the rumble of cars, but to the chatter of monkey conversations. Buildings, once gleaming skyscrapers, now adorned with vines and natural growth. The concrete jungle reclaimed by an actual jungle. Our institutions, our governments, our entire social order, all built on the foundation of human dominance, would crumble. In their place might rise a new hierarchy. A simian society with its own rules and values. Would they enslave us, putting humans to work in their fields and factories? Or would they see us as a cautionary tale, a species that let its intelligence lead to its own downfall? Picture this: a group of monkeys in lab coats studying human behavior, trying to understand our flaws and prevent themselves from making the same mistakes. Their technological prowess might surpass our wildest dreams. Imagine cities powered by bioluminescent plants, transportation systems that utilize natural energy, and communication networks that span the globe using the language of the forest. Their legal system might revolve around the principles of community, sustainability, and the balance of nature. Imagine a monkey judge presiding over a court, weighing the needs of the individual against the needs of the environment. And what about our art, our music, our literature? Would monkeys find beauty in our creations, or would they develop their own unique forms of expression? Imagine a symphony conducted by a silverback gorilla, or a Shakespearean play performed by a troupe of chimpanzees. This new world order wouldn't necessarily be a dystopia. It might be a chance for the planet to heal, for a more sustainable way of life to emerge, a world where intelligence is measured not by technological advancement, but by harmony with nature. One thing's for sure, it would be a humbling experience for humanity. A reminder that we are not the center of the universe and that intelligence can take many forms. Chapter 3. So, are we destined to become second-class citizens on our own planet? Well, humans are a resourceful bunch. We've survived ice ages, plagues, and even ourselves. We wouldn't simply roll over. Some might advocate for peaceful coexistence, learning to live in harmony with our intellectually superior cousins. We might become the students, learning from their wisdom and understanding of the natural world. Others might form resistance movements, fighting for human autonomy in this new world order. Imagine underground bunkers, secret labs, where humans work tirelessly to develop weapons and technology to reclaim their dominance. And then there's the possibility of collaboration. Could humans and super-intelligent monkeys find common ground, combining their unique strengths to create a better future? Imagine human ingenuity working alongside monkey intuition, our technological prowess complementing their understanding of the natural world. We could create a symbiotic relationship, a fusion of human and simian intelligence that propels us to new heights of understanding and innovation. Picture hybrid cities, where nature and technology coexist in perfect balance. Humans and monkeys working side by side, sharing knowledge, resources, and a common goal of a brighter future. Of course, this is all speculation. The future is a vast and uncertain landscape, but one thing is certain: the rise of super-intelligent monkeys would be a game-changer for humanity. It would force us to confront our own limitations, our place in the natural order, and the very definition of intelligence itself. It would be a test of our resilience, our adaptability, and our capacity for change. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, it wouldn't be the end of humanity, but the beginning of something truly extraordinary. Outro. So will our planet one day resemble the planet of the apes? While it makes for a compelling story, the reality is that evolution rarely follows Hollywood scripts. Humanity's greatest strength lies in our adaptability, our ability to learn, to innovate, to overcome challenges. We've spent millennia climbing to the top of the food chain, shaping the world in our image. But it's a humbling thought, isn't it? That our reign as the planet's dominant species isn't necessarily guaranteed. Perhaps this thought experiment serves as a reminder to appreciate our place in the grand tapestry of life, to never stop questioning, and to never underestimate the power of the universe to surprise us.